But Pico, from this night, oh, whatever he needs, he prepare, oh.
Daddy, after 100 days.
After?
100 days.
My name is Pius Oluchukwu Onyeka. I'm from Umuokwana, Ikuku, Umona, Olo, local government in Imo State. So my case is that my wife here this is almost 2 years and 5 months. She not allow me to touch her. So anything I do is problem. Even if anyhow where my body touch her in the night, you go push me for the wall. I go leave the place to go to the parlor. Just they go. Some days he tell me that if the person that give her a knife, he will cut my thing, throw it. He say in anger is too much for me. Even though she later tell me, say, I just smell poverty. Nothing which she cannot tell me. What? So I decided to say, Madam, pack your things. He said we cannot go anywhere. So that is my problem.
Look at what your husband, did he pay your bride price?
Yes, sir.
Laban says this is 2 years. You have never allowed him to touch you. Didn't he pay your bride price?
Yes, sir.
He paid.
Yes, sir.
So what is the problem?
That
Put mic like this.
The problem is that this is 22 years of marriage. It's full of struggle to me. I have been struggling and I've been bearing so many things. So that's what brought my anger. For 20 years, I'm the only one taking care of the family. Even my first son is in university, 200 level. He doesn't know how he entered school. He never contributed. Even the ones in the secondary school, I have two in secondary school. I have 4 children, but I lost one, my first daughter, last 2 years. After her death, that's when I come across Zion. So I'm the one taking care of the family. I'm the one taking care of the family. All he knows is about sex.
Okay. How many years is this marriage?
22 years.
This marriage has produced how many children?
4 children, but I lost one 2 years ago. 18 years, at the age of 18.
You lost one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after that was when you now know Zion?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You say you are the one taking care of the family. In what aspects?
Both school fees, both rent. Even we are in the village. All our children, we had it in the village. I'm even the one that came to Lagos. After the whole struggle, and I see that nothing is going on. I have to have plan to come out to Lagos, to come and stay with my aunt. I'm the one that brought him to Lagos. Even his mother don't want him to come to Lagos, even me too. So I came to Lagos, I brought him to the Lagos so that we can join hands together and train our children. And ever since then, I'm the one struggling. I'm the one struggling, even if the thing is affecting my business.
Okay, give him microphone. Oga, what do you do?
I'm driving keke, sir.
So somebody that driving keke supposed to be making money to support the family. So why are you not supporting? She said she's the one paying for house rent, taking care of children, school fees in university, bringing food on the table. And you are the one that reported this case, right?
Yes, sir.
So someone driving keke, why are you not supporting her?
So I'm supporting. You know that women, if you don't bring that in, they need to bring as a man. You are not doing anything. And I'm trying, but as I'm trying my best, sir.
This thing affected me so much. As I'm speaking to you now, our house rent is on my neck. I hardly go home. If program finish like this, I will be hanging around in Zion here till 9 or 10 before I will go home.
Why?
Because of my landlady, always wait for me at the door gate. Because when he see my husband, he just pass. He don't used to ask him of anything. It's only me he know.
Is that why you are not giving him his rights? Eh?
Yes, Daddy, because I'm not happy. Sex matters when you are happy. If you are not happy, you will not have the urge.
He said?
If I don't have the urge anymore,
Why?
because of what the struggle I'm into, I'm always struggling, facing challenges. My son is in university. It's only me that catering for him. 200 level, and he's in a private school. 420,000 every year.
Okay. Madam, what do you do?
I sell footwear, men footwear.
You're a wonderful woman that are training your children in university, paying for harassment. Let somebody clap for the woman. You have to. Do you know that these things your wife is doing, that you are the one that's supposed to be doing it?
I know, sir.
That your wife's supposed to be the one helping you, not the one that's supposed to carry the 100% of the family load. Are you aware?
Yes, sir.
So, you are reporting this case today because he's not giving you what you are desiring. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Have you made your time to say, thank you for doing what I'm supposed to be doing? Sir? Have you made time to appreciate her?
Yes, sir.
And what way are you appreciating her?
I'm always telling her, say, baby, you are trying. You are helping me, but my own, I don't know whether now maybe this foundation matter is disturbing me because I'm trying my best, but everything I'm trying is not working.
I see a woman that loves you genuinely. I see a hard-working woman. What you need to do is that, are you doing this 100 days?
Yes, sir.
You have to do it with all your heart. Ask God to open door for you. Hope you are not drinking.
No, sir.
Hope is not smoking.
Daddy, for drinking, he's drinking. But smoking, he doesn't smoke, but he drinks.
Why do you lie to me? Tell me, why do you lie to me?
I'm sorry, sir. I already drinking. I'm feeling. I mean, I'm drinking sometimes once in a while. I can take one bottle. I don't mean that one is the drinking.
One bottle of what?
Beer.
Beer and what again?
A beer I used to take.
He never pay house rent. They drink beer. The money you are using to drink beer once in a while, if you gather it, you will give it to your wife. It will be a part of the help. You should not be happy that a woman is doing what you're supposed to do. When a woman is the one paying the children's school fees, paying for house rent, putting food on your table, you have lost your mantle, spiritual stuff. Some men think it doesn't matter. It matters. The children are growing up. They know it is their mother. He and they disturb their buku.
Daddy, every Christmas, when I'm buying Christmas clothes for my children, I do buy for him.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. Only last year when I have
Do
challenges.
you still have a younger sister? Let me come and marry. When last have you buy clothes for your wife?
All is 20 years.
Are you serious? I thought it's the Anambra men that used to do like this. I don't know that Imo State men used to do like this. Oh, Jacare, Anambra men are wonderful people. Woman, please give me 500,000. Woman, put this on 500,000 in your business, you will prosper. Sit down. Put it in your business. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Then your husband, after the 100 days, we will check if the keke is not what we're supposed to do. We will consider to help him to start up a small thing. Even if it's pure water, let him be selling.
All right.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
He's even the one that reported the case, not you. But Pico, from this night, whatever he needs, he will pay,
Daddy, after 100 days.
After?
100 days.
Okay. Give your husband phone. Do you agree with your wife after 100 days?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give your wife back. But you have accepted that after 100 days that you will not say no again. Eh?
Not always, oh.
Is it always that he requests it?
Yes, sir.
How? How? Explain.
Every night.
Every night.
Yes, sir.
Well, it's who look at man. Okay, but please, even if he need it every night, allow him. Because he wouldn't nick up. Is it food?
I say, Daddy, you say that every day. It's not like maybe I'm disturbing every day, but for 2 years, I'm going to try. I am never a lock. So it's not.
Madam, it is wrong. For 2 years, you have never allowed your husband to touch you. Let it not happen again. Are you hearing me? Yeah, Mike.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to push him away? Please, after the 100 days, allow him. He have the rights over your body, and you have rights over his body. But Oga, there are things that make a woman happy. No woman will be in the mood if the partner is not supportive. This is just the truth. So I know after these 100 days, things will change for the family.
Amen.
Have you forgiven him? Eh?
Yes, Dad.
I kissing, can't fasten, kissing, Cheregodi. Because I'm 100 days here. How come we share your doctor Senelube?
My darling, I will never leave you. I will keep on loving you.
Open this water so far you're fasting. 2 of you will drink small.
My darling, I will never leave you. I will keep on loving you. You're my daddy, yeah. Oh, my darling, I will never leave you. I will keep on loving you. I will keep on loving you.
Hope you still respect your husband. Huh?
Yes, sir.
What do you call him? Huh?
His guy name.
Huh?
Expensive.
Expensive.
Yes, sir.
No wonder Ijiri Noran Sobu. The name alone can put somebody in trouble. Oga, hope she still respects you.
Yes, sir.
The only thing I see here is sense. And today is solved. So are you happy now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to take her. Hope you're happy with the 500,000 given to the family. Huh? She will put it in the business. You don't have business, you can put it in now. Because you are driving keke. After the 100 days, we now see and check. Let her put in her business. So far, she's using it for both of you. 1 + 1 or take. God bless you. I'm going to take her to her chair. I'm going to Korea na who Jabeno chair. Korea na who. Korea Jabeno chair. Korea Jabeno chair. Cobrun keep pastor. Either you know who was school fees. Cobrun keep water. Jabeno chair. Don't tell me your waist is paying you. Carry her to the chair. Carry her, Neje. So far you cannot pay for house rent. Carry her. Korea Jabeno chair.
Odiye meye de wedi we bol. Odiye weye de wedi we. O me mistake me. Oge se korana we don di amara.